In this video, we're going to explore escaping special characters in regular expressions. Escaping is all about making metacharacters behave as literal text, rather than their special regex meaning. We will be using a backslash to remove the special meaning from regex metacharacters. This is the core idea behind escaping, so let's dive in. The backslash character is our main tool for escaping. It's like a magic wand that removes special meanings from the character that immediately follows it. Consider it as an escape character. For example, if you put a backslash before a dot like this, backslash followed by a dot, it matches a literal dot. Without the backslash, the dot matches any character. Let's focus on escaping the dot character. Normally, a dot is a metacharacter that matches any single character except a new line. If you want to search for an actual dot, you need to escape it. For example, consider the expression file.text. Without escaping, this expression matches file, any character, and text. So it would match file1 text, file a text, or file space text. But if you use file_text, it only matches file.text. This is because the backslash tells the regex engine to treat the dot as a literal dot. Now let's explore escaping square brackets. Square brackets are used to define character classes, which match any one of the characters inside the brackets. To match a literal square bracket, we need to escape it. For example, without escaping, if you have the expression open square bracket ABC close square bracket, this creates a character class. It will match a B or C. But when you want to match the literal ABC string, you have to escape the square brackets like this. Backslash open square bracket, ABC backslash close square bracket. This will only match the AB string. Parentheses are used to create capturing groups in regular expressions. If you want to match actual parenthesis characters, you need to escape them. Without escaping, open parenthesis ABC close parenthesis creates a capturing group, capturing the match. But if you want to match the literal ABC string, you need to escape them like this. Backslash open parenthesis, ABC backslash close parenthesis. This will only match ABC. Here are some of the most common metacharacters that you'll often need to escape. First, there are the basic metacharacters such as backslash dot for a literal dot, backslash asterisk for a literal asterisk, backslash plus for a literal plus sign, backslash question mark for a literal question mark, backslash caret for a literal caret, and backslash $sign for a literal $sign. Then we have the characters used for grouping in character classes such as backslash open parenthesis, backslash close parenthesis, backslash open square bracket, backslash close square bracket, backslash open curly brace, and backslash close curly brace. Let's look at some practical examples of escaping in real-world scenarios. For example, consider the regular expression for matching an email address. User /name/ at domain/.com. This expression matches the email address, user.name at domain.com. We escape the dots and the @ symbol so that they are treated as literal characters, not metacharacters. Another example is matching a price format such as $, then the amount. The expression $, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket plus backslash open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket open curly brace 2 close curly brace matches dollar amounts. For instance, it would match $29.99 or $199. Here we escape the $sign and the decimal point to ensure they are matched literally. Here are a couple of best practices to keep in mind when escaping characters in regular expressions. Only escape when you need to, when you require a literal character meaning. Don't over-escape. Double-check your patterns to ensure they work as expected. Always test your escape patterns. Use the re library in Python to search and test your escape patterns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.